Okay, good afternoon to all the judges, and my name is Chi Bing. My team is alongside, and we're from PSA. So in this hackathon, we actually identified two areas of improvement, all right, in this maritime industry. First is actually the vessel delays, and vessel delays actually has a huge implications in terms of our operations, plannings, and it will affect like a transshipment hub like Singapore, okay? And with what we have done is that we've done an applications that actually provides a visibility for the maritime players to see which are the vessels that are going to delay, and we can react in time. The second thing is actually the bunkers delay. So bunker delays actually it will lead to the port's delays, and it will actually deprive other vessels of getting in our berth. All right. So and based on current industry, actually there's a lack of tracking of this history of this bunkers reliability. So our app actually provides rate systems which give this maritimes all these players right a visibility okay on which are the bunkers that are good, and then you can actually nominate them next in the future. So now let's go to the demo. Okay, first you can see actually we break up between arriving, alongside, and departed. Arriving, actually what we do is that we actually tap on the AISS information. So we can get to see the list of vessels that is coming 3 days in time in Singapore. And from here, one look, you will see there's this red circles and green. Red means it delay. So one is red is delay and green is actually on time. So if it's delay, right, what happens, you can actually subscribe to this notification and you can send alerts to all the stakeholders who's interested to know about this information. Okay, so when you drill into the site, right, you can see actually it will provide all the attributes of these vessels like the last port, next port, and we actually tap on the AISS information to give the exact locations of where is this vessel right now. And also you can see actually what we did is that we actually link it to the bunkers. That means this, without bunker, it shows that there's no bunkering services involved, and if there is, then you link up. Same thing, red means that, the vessels is coming and we know straight away that the bunkings are late. Or green, it just shows that the bunkers are on time. So if it's late, what happens is that you come to this dashboard, it shows that this vessel is tied to this bunkering, and from here you can list down all the other available bunkers that is available, all right? So from here, and it also has a best fitted. Okay, we go back to the screen. Okay, so what is alongside? Alongside actually gives you an understanding of what is the progress at the port itself. All right, same thing, red and green. Red represents is already overstays. You should depart long time ago. And green actually shows you how much time left, in these areas. And same thing for the two of these icons. And lastly is actually the departed. Departed actually, as we say, you can actually do some rating. If you click into it, you can see some rating here. Okay, you can actually rate accordingly, it's by the vessels operating, etc. So we also have this vessel trackers. Actually, it shows the route. All right, the vessel tracker just shows the routes. Okay, exactly what's happened. So all in all, actually, this helps to increase the productivity and efficiency, especially it'll give you a higher asset utilization, better service reliability, and most important, effective supply chain throughout. So who are the person that can use? Actually, it's the NPA, the port terminals like JP, PSA, okay, shipping lines, vessel operators, the hauliers, etc. Thank you.